Welcome to Here to Help, a video series created by Westslope Library to help you access information online. I'm Taya Hart, and today we'll help you learn the difference between the Overdrive app and the Libby app. First, one important thing to understand is that there are multiple ways to access the same digital library. You can do so through a mobile app like the Libby or Overdrive apps if you're using a smartphone or a tablet, or you can access the digital library from any internet-connected device through an internet browser. No matter which way you choose to borrow ebooks, you'll have access to the same digital library using your WCCLS library card. I'll compare and contrast the Libby and Overdrive apps today. So I'm here on the WCCLS homepage. On the main menu at the top of this page, you can see Digital Library here in the middle. Click on that and select About eBooks, the third item in the menu. And on this page, you'll see the Overdrive and Libby app icons in the upper right. You can click the link, More Details About the Differences, to learn more about the differences between the Overdrive and the Libby apps. So Libby is the newer app of the two. Overdrive, the company that the library has an agreement with to provide our digital library, created both of these apps. The Overdrive app, the classic app, has existed for a really long time in the world of library ebooks and audiobooks, where Libby was released in 2017. You can choose one or the other. You'll have access to the exact same digital library, and which one you may wish to use is a matter of your needs and preferences. So Libby is the faster, redesigned experience. It's compatible with Android and iOS devices. I often suggest getting started with Libby if you're new to the digital library. It makes it really easy to set up your library account on your device. Libby walks you through connecting to your library and logging in so that you can borrow ebooks and audiobooks. This app also removes the need to choose which file type to download ebooks for offline use, which is a common point of confusion in the Overdrive app, and simplifies the navigation between your shelf, browsing or searching your library, your settings, and the book you're currently reading or listening to. Overdrive, on the other hand, is the classic app, and it does have some additional features and compatibility that Libby doesn't have. So, for example, you can use the Overdrive app with Kindle Fire, Macs, PCs, and Windows mobile devices that are not compatible with Libby. It also allows for transfer to MP3 players from a computer. However, Libby has had additional features added to it over time. For example, as of summer 2020, Libby's user interface now supports 9 additional languages. Another new feature as of spring 2021 that I'm excited about is the ability to sync tags across devices, which includes syncing your wish list. And it's now easy to use Libby across multiple devices. For example, using Libby via libbyapp.com from a browser on your computer and via the Libby app on your mobile device. The experience is familiar and looks the same across devices. There's some features that are still only available in the Overdrive app, though, like the Recommend to Library feature. And for some users, accessibility features may be better supported in the Overdrive app. And if you're concerned about excluding mature content in your digital reading app, or if you want the kids in your life to be able to browse only for kids' books and not see other titles, that may be another reason to use the Overdrive app. I'll link to some information about these features in the description for this video below. So, did I help you learn the difference between the Overdrive app and the Libby app? Please take our brief online survey so that we know if this video helped. The survey link is in the video description below. And remember, library staff are here to help.